everyone, this is Lori with JFrog, and I'm at DevNexus in the DevOps Speakeasy booth. And I'm here with someone that I follow on Twitter, but I don't think we've ever officially met. This is Mala Gupta. So Mala, please just introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Thank you, Lori. First of all, it's a pleasure to be here. And as you said, we haven't met earlier, but yes, we do follow each other. And it's kind of weird that we kind of follow each other, read each other tweets, but we kind of haven't met each other. But when we see each other, it's like, oh, we have really met before, but we haven't. So, hi everyone, my name is Mala Gupta. I work as a developer advocate with JetBrains, and I'm a Java champion. I've written a couple of books. What else?
Written a couple of books. She says that like it's not a big deal, y'all. That's a big deal. What were your books about?
They were mostly Java certifications.
Yeah, certifications, also a big deal. So, you know, she's a big deal. I'm fangirling right now. It happens. Okay, so we're at DevNexus. Tell me about the talks that you're going to give.
So this is the first time that I'm giving two talks. So I had one talk today, which I co-presented with Chandra, and tomorrow I have another talk, which is by myself. And today we talked about, so this was quite an interesting talk. We talked about the coding recipes. We talked about code katas, we talked about how to use an IDE and how it could benefit everyone. So we really had good storytelling in the first half of the session when we talked about how we cook a dish and how we had parallels drawn between the recipe cooking of the dish and the API that we want to understand. And then we kind of moved on to creating the coding kata, still kind of taking parallels from the processes and the API, creating the kata and then solving it.
I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of hungry now. We're talking a lot about cooking and recipes. So tell me about your talk tomorrow.
Yes, so tomorrow I'm talking about data-oriented programming with the new modern features that we have in Java. Because when we talk about any new paradigm, we talk about improving the applications, whether it's readability, maintainability, performance, blah, blah, blah. So every time we are hungry to make our applications better in one way or the other. And when we talk about the new Java features, we have a couple of them like records, pattern matching, seed classes, which really make it more easier for developers to focus on data and model data as data. Because what do we do when we are talking about records? We are kind of wrapping the data in a new type, but how do we use that data? We unwrap it. And pattern matching is one of the ways that really helps us to unwrap it and then use it in a very simple way. Simple, concise, and it's easy on eyes, has a lower cognitive load. I can keep on going and talking about it.
That's awesome. So I would like one last question. If you are new to the Java world, what is one tip that you would give someone?
Just start coding in Java.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Mala. And you guys look for her sessions at DevNexus, and then also check out her books if you want to get certified. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. It was such fun to talk with you.
And we're out. Yay!